scored 7 years ago. Our father gave forth on this continent a new nation conceived in liberty and dedicated to the.
No, it's not time for a history lesson. It's time for another reaction video. Today we travel to the Mediterranean region to try some of the snacks enjoyed by the people that live around this stunning part of the world. From sesame sticks to cakes, we test a full variety of goodies. So come on and let's get a snacking. And action! Hi!
We were action 7 seconds ago.
Hey, I work at Action.
So,
Anyways,
this is reaction video number
three?
three. How do you say it in Spanish? Tres.
That's America. Viral.
Okay, so
my cat.
this time we're focusing on the region of the Mediterranean.
They didn't have a lot of salty stuff, so
Yeah,
we got a lot of sweet stuff.
Yeah. So, and there's not one specific country that we focused on.
Yeah, now it's
So we'll read the snack and then where the region that it's from.
That
and then-
bag's in case you don't like it.
Yeah.
we'll
and
try
go from
to
there.
read.
Yeah. Okay, so where are we going first? Which one first?
I don't know. Okay.
Okay, this one is from, I'm assuming it's a pizza snack. Looks like maybe like bagel.
Get it up there.
My lord. I don't know where it's from. Is there English anywhere on here?
Yeah, it says supersized.
Egypt. Manufactured in Egypt.
That's pretty
Can
cool.
we get into them? Oh my
Oh my
god.
god. We don't
You
need
let
a.
us down.
We don't need a
Oh,
knife.
they're so little. Passes the smell test.
Hey.
They look like,
little.
Like those little, like the.
you know when you
Chex Mix things.
Yes, thank you. That's exactly what I was thinking of.
Chex Mix things.
No. Oh, we got two. Here we go. Holy crap, that's good.
That's good.
Oh, yeah.
Pizza snack. Pizza snack, good.
I give that a 6.
Yeah.
I give him an 8.
7.
Actually, really good.
So Egypt gets a point.
Good job.
And
Sorry.
these little sesame
Wanna
things
try
here. This is a product of Turkey. Let me get close
It
up.
doesn't look like a turkey.
Oh, that's just chicken.
It looks like pretzel.
Yeah,
Oh, you got the sesame one?
yeah. Sesame.
So it's probably
Open
just gonna taste
sesame.
like a pretzel with sesame seeds on it.
Okay. It's
Oh, they look like oversized. What's that stuff called? With the chocolate on it that we got.
Hockey?
Yeah,
oh yeah, Pockies only. Yeah.
got
Those
a
are
lot of sesame
Those are
seeds
really
on
good.
it. And it smells like cardboard.
She's taking my snack away. It's okay. It's okay. Go ahead.
Tastes like
I like
cardboard. You do? Did it get better the second time? You know, if you had like cream cheese,
Yeah.
the onion one,
Oh,
That would be like,
The
best
pizza
one
ones
for
are
us.
still my favorite.
There's a lot
yeah.
really dry.
So, a 6 on those.
4.
Or
Oh no.
you package it twice. Ah! They're a little hard.
They good?
You gotta show them what it is.
Here, please.
Oh, sorry. Before I open these, I'm getting a little hasty here. Product of Jordan.
Jordan.
Who's Jordan?
Middle Eastern country. And
Yeah, but who's-
Nebraska.
Is his name Jordan? Like,
No,
did
that's
Jordan
the
make
name of the
these?
country.
So Jordan made his own country?
Anyways.
Oh.
Anyways.
So they look like those big breadsticks.
Good stick thingies.
These are gonna be so dry.
Can we go back?
Well,
Oh, they're open.
Oh, that's weird.
hmm.
Revert back to the last 5 seconds.
Jordan, your breadsticks better be pretty good.
Yeah, they're thyme with sesame.
Oh, another sesame stick. You're doing better than turkey. Look at the size of that son I'm gonna.
Um,
Lid, please.
Jordan can go back.
Sir.
Damn, these are good. Oh,
Ew.
There's a back for her.
That's
wait, that's the bag with all the dates in it.
No, it's not.
I don't want to date.
Oh.
That was awful. I wouldn't even give that to my enemies.
Depends on the enemy.
Can we go back to the pizza thing?
Oh, sorry. That needs to be on my side.
Yeah. Is that it for the salty ones?
Oh God, I hope so. What about that? The can
Yeah,
thing. Whatever that.
You have to open it from the bottom.
Stuffed peppers.
Sorry, I come prepared.
These are from Turkey. These are also from Turkey.
Sorry.
Oh, mother!
You get some money?
Paper towels, please.
Oh, you need paper? Paper towels?
Yes.
Dad, when you're editing this, put
Here,
this
hold
in
that.
slow-mo.
Here, hold that.
Put that in slow-mo when you're doing that. That was funny.
Got a plate, maybe?
Yeah.
So we could put the camera on. Oh, it's on my phone. Bloody hell.
Oh, you were in luck. I got one plate left.
Oh, that works.
Here, hold that.
Just need one. It's only one can.
I guess it kind of got everywhere. Oh, on my table.
Biscuit.
Last time I invited you guys over here, you just come over and just mess up my plate.
Shit.
Oh, what the ass?
It don't smell bad.
No, smells part good or that darn thing.
We might need a few more paper towels there.
At least it's vegan.
Yeah.
What? There's no meat? Have you a fork?
Yeah. I don't want to
You're
spill
done?
this and that and get it
Okay,
all
this is the
like.
first time we're trying something from that's canned.
Can't.
It's in a can.
Ugh.
How do you
How
get them out of there?
Here,
I
I
don't
got
bite.
one for everyone.
Okay, I got all the stuffing, but I didn't get the pepper itself.
I got a piece of pepper.
Pizza pepper.
Pizza. I'm stuck on those pizza things. Oh, he took a hole.
What if we dip the pizza thing in that? We're like mixing countries here.
Well, no, this
Right?
is from Turkey too.
It?
The Jordan stuff in with
No!
Ah!
the turkey stuff.
Ah!
Jordan doesn't know what's going on around her.
Okay,
Are they good?
Ow.
okay, I got my bite here.
I ain't got. Oh, mother.
There's some of the peppers right there if you want some of the pepper.
I'm getting stuff. Butter. All right,
Hey,
let's
okay,
try it.
here we go. That's
I'm double dipping.
yeah.
Give me some of that. Give me some.
Oh,
Give me
oh,
some.
that- oh man, look
Give me
at
some of that
gravy right
goodness.
there. Holy smokes.
I'm in the middle. Why?
Wow, that was amazing.
You catch all the leftovers.
Yeah, apparently.
Here, to wipe your puss.
And we're just gonna dip some of that in there and just like trying to mix some
Oh yeah, let me get the bacon right there. Let's try some of that. Oh yeah.
Hey, back up. My pepper. You made me drop the.
Oh, makes me wanna ride a camel.
Oh.
Holy crap. Yeah.
That gets my. I'm so glad I bought a can for myself.
That's just. We're gonna have some more of that.
You know, we got
Oh
other,
look,
other stuff.
Oh.
So yeah, I'm giving that one a solid 8. Needs a little salt though.
No. That's why you're in the middle, so it can drip on you.
Yeah, clearly.
Okay.
All right.
What
That
else?
wins.
What else we got in our?
That was it for the salty snacks and sweet stuff. So
It was actually really good.
now we move on.
But I would tell everyone else that it sucks, so you have more. So we're doing this thing. Twirl. Cadbury twirl from it's from Dublin.
What? How did we get Dublin from the
UK
Mediterranean
only.
store?
I don't know. Well, they had one shipment and they were like, it says UK, product of UK.
Throw it in there. Open it up. Let's go.
Do something with your pepper.
What?
Huh?
Do something with your pepper. So,
Let's eat it.
Oh, these are cool. They're little sticks.
Oh,
Little
they're
stick
individual.
things. Is it upside down? I feel like it's upside down. There we go. There's you one, there's you one, there's you one. And you want one, you get one. I don't know what it is, so this is supposed to be
Oh,
like
I see chocolate, so it's already got a.
Oh,
like
mine's
that.
broke. What a ripoff.
Yeah, mine too. I mean, well, it comes from Dublin, so Dublin.
Hey, does that mean since mine broke in half, it's Dublin? Because
give the pepper a 7, by the way.
get out.
Oh my God!
Mm,
Holy crap!
I'm very nice.
This is heavenly right here.
Now Mr. Lover, girl. Mr. Lover. Now Mr. Lover. She call me Mr. Bombastic, tell me fantastic, put me on me.
It's so soft. Like melts in your mouth and stuff.
I know it. It's just, oh wow.
That smacks. Dude, gives you a smack.
No, that,
Sure.
That slaps right there.
That's what they use. Slaps.
Wow. That's a,
Dublin.
it's a 4, but I'm doubling it to an 8. Yeah, see what I did?
Yeah.
We're trying to move on.
We're still on the salty stuff.
So, what's next?
I
What's
go
enough? You
by-
pick.
Yeah,
You
you pick.
It's time for you to pick.
This thing. I got
Now, I got these because last time they weren't that stuff like this wasn't that great, so I thought we
These
could
are
break them
from
in half.
Egypt.
Stuff. Egypt.
Egypt. Oh, it says on the back right there from the Egypt foods.
Oh. Alright. We gotta figure out how to. Ah, we got mine. What's taking this long? That was like a little cake thing.
Ha!
Look at that. There's half for if you want one. It smells like.
Smush one of those spiral cakes.
Yeah, it smells like a little Debbie.
Smushed.
Little Debbie. It tastes like a little Debbie.
Holy frick. That's good.
I actually like
That's
that.
the cat.
Yeah. Not bad. It's not as good as Dublin.
No,
But-
that was magic.
I still
It's magical.
like the pizza things.
We can tell.
What about Dublin?
Dublin was okay.
Just okay.
Okay, this one.
And the peppers were good. I guess. No, it's
Tutku.
Taku.
Mosaic cookie filled with coca cream.
You about to put something bad. Ooh.
This is a product of somewhere.
Somewhere beyond the rainbow.
Turkey.
Another turkey
Another
product.
turkey.
And again, it looks nothing like a turkey. I'm getting really ticked off. Oh, it's a cookie. Oh, it's a little cookie.
Little cookie. Like a biscuit.
It's like something that Sweeney Todd would eat.
I.
Oh,
my
it's real. It's got real.
Don't take my line. You guys do it where I can do it. Wow, that's really good.
It does have an aftertaste.
It's not too sweet like the last cookies we had last time. Remember how it was just like so strong with sugar and chocolate? I still have them. That's why they're still there.
The aftertaste knocks it down a lot.
I don't like the aftertaste.
Yeah, I hate it too.
Clearly. It shows.
It's fine.
Next.
No, we're gonna use that one. See, that's how you do it. You gotta spit out some food first.
Jaffa cakes. Looks like another cookie type thing. This is from. No idea. Serbia. This is from Serbia.
Serbia.
This is our first Serbian. It's in the Mediterranean area.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Holy crap. Those are bigger than I thought they were gonna. That's what she's. Never mind. I like orange stuff. I'm a big fan of orange cookie stuff. I'd like one.
Would you?
Looks like a little UFO.
Yeah. Okay. Lost in Space. Ship. If it was silver.
Oh.
Oh. It's like an angel food cake. with blessings on it.
With blessings on it? Where's the blessings from? Hades?
Oh.
Ew, ew, ew!
What? Yeah, I don't like. I like it.
I do not.
That is really good. Yeah. We're on cookies.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna open this one because this is but
You guys want another one?
I'm good.
These are fantastic. I like. Those are mine.
Okay.
Domesica. I'm gonna go with. It says it's a tea biscuit coated with chocolate. This is from
Egypt.
Croatia.
You know, there's a thing on the side.
Where?
A piece of gum. See that? See the?
This right here?
Yeah. Yeah. You just.
Whoa.
I'm helping. Ooh. Give me some. Give me
want
a
the heart.
square ones.
It doesn't look like
Look at that. They come in like little.
Different, yeah. Assorted shapes and designs.
shapes and colors.
Look good, but the execution.
Look good.
Was, that was
Want another one?
oh.
It's okay.
Oh, no.
And
Quite good.
you guys like this better than orange stuff?
Yes.
I don't. I like the pepper and the fajita better. Okay.
Sure. Here's one of these.
Yeah.
All right. Banana time.
Banana.
Pop, itty pop,
Pop cake.
They're with banana and natural art. They're in there. Cocoa coated cakes with banana sauce.
Banana sauce?
Saucy.
All right, where you from? We gotta find words that
Here, you should go ahead
the
and
country.
whole can.
Oh, it's okay.
Here's a fork.
No, it's okay. Oh, good.
So it's from. No, it's hazelnut. Might contain hazelnut. Where are these from? Where's the names?
Yo, where are you from?
Oh, is it product the? Oh, okay, we're getting there. English, need English. I think it says Turkey. Because there's a lot of Turkin like word type stuff and different language stuff. No alcohol? And then, what is the point?
Yay.
Oh, that's nasty.
Anyways, turkey. We're going with turkey.
Turkey.
Oh, there's no. They're in packages. Let's see here. Oh, they're little cute little cakes.
Ah, isn't that darling? They
They're
look
little-
like little bassinet.
The little Turkish little cake. The pretty cute.
How
Yeah,
cute.
mhm.
Oh, mine's broken. I smashed it.
Oh my god, that is so gross.
Maybe stick to turkey, you know? Cooking turkey.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah, I know. Yep.
Another one of these.
Pepper, anyone?
Let's go with something.
it's just not leaving.
Gross, really gross.
This is some type of chocolate with pistachios.
Hope pistachios.
Green gravy.
I'm excited for that one. But we're not there yet, so stop looking
Trying
at
to
me.
figure
Look at
out
him.
where we are from.
I'm from Florida. Oh, is it a golden ticket?
Oh. You're welcome. Here.
I'm nervous about these because there's like a bunch of pistachio, like chocolate stuff from Dubai. And I don't have the urge to try those, so.
Product of Turkey.
Another turkey thing, what happened to Dubai? The Dubai
We're
chocolates.
in the Mediterranean.
That doesn't make sense.
Chocolate.
Oh, my nut's sticking out. Pistachio nut.
People, get your minds out of the gutter.
Yeah, guys, come on.
Ready?
Yeah.
And
Not really.
It says not really. It gets more.
snap.
I like it better with all the other stuff than the Dubai chocolate.
It's quite good.
It's real good.
That's it. It's yours now. I don't care for it. It's, you know, it's just.
What are you talking about? That's
I'm
brilliant.
alright. It's just we all got our favorites. You guys don't like orange, I like orange. It's cool.
Yeah.
Onward.
No, it's a 4 from. It's not. I don't care.
That's an 8.
7.
So we're going with this thing. It looked really good, and I just kind of wanted it. It's a chocolate bar. It's a
Cherry cream.
yeah Alpine.
Poor thing.
I don't know what that. Oh, it's from Poland.
Poland.
That's cool. 25 grams of sugar. Would you look at that, huh? A lot of sugar.
Well, let's open it up and try that 25 grams.
Who's taking her home?
You're trying to get rid of me.
It's I ain't dealing with sugar high stuff.
Today.
It's very sophisticated. It's gotta be so gentle with it. It smells like plastic. Oh. I'm like, ours. There's one for you.
I just realized.
What? There's one for you. I'm box chested. Leave me alone.
Yeah, you can keep that one.
Oh. Mm-hmm.
Oh my god.
I kind of like it. Kind of.
You know? Clean out my nuts. What?
That was not a fan.
Poland, you let me down. I was really looking forward to that.
Finger. Oh. Finger.
I got a finger. Oh, I lost weight.
I have no idea because I cannot read this small little.
Is that our last one? Oh no, we still got
It's still.
whatever.
Okay.
That looks terrifying, but we'll get to it.
There's no English.
Meh. Let me see. My turn.
Hi, Kit Kat. What?
Okay, it's a mystery treat. Just open it up.
No, I'm gonna find it.
What, Kitty?
I'm gonna find
TikTok.
where it says it's from.
Hi, Kippy.
Product does not contain pig fat. Well, thank God for that, because that would be weird saying how it's a cookie. It says Illinois right here, but I think that's just stipulated.
That's who
Let's
distributed it.
Take off
to
all
the
the
US.
English. It's a tea biscuit.
Let's go.
I can't read nothing.
Just open the bloody thing up.
Fine! You can't figure out what country to praise when this tastes really good, then you're gonna feel really dumb. When you, no, I hope here. But it's just a little tea biscuit.
Oh, it's broken.
God.
See?
Oh, how come all your guys were in the, I want a whole piece one. There. Maybe it's supposed to taste good with tea. Nope, it does not. Taste good with tea.
There's very little flavor at all.
Little to none.
Why are you the way that you are?
Me too.
Huh. Whatever country that's from, it's new for me.
Yeah. Not a fan of that one.
Okay. We got 2 items left. So which one's our favorite so far?
These things.
Yeah, I agree with that. Okay, so this is Telpazmania Turkish cotton candy. What flavor is it? Do I want to know what flavor it is? There's sugar in it. That's good.
You know what would be?
It says cocoa powder, so it might be
You know what would
chocolate.
be brilliant? Is if you just opened it up and then.
I'm trying to provide the people's watching like information in case it's pretty good.
Were you about to slip into Karen mode?
Why? I think I cut myself. I'm gonna have to, what? Oh, it's packaged again. Why? This better be, what the heck? Did you get this behind a gas station from the guy in the Cadillac? Cause why is it? It's a pound.
It's supposed to be cotton candy?
Oh, that is hard as. It's a Turkish Nutri-Grain
Do
bar.
we eat it or do we snort it? It's powdery.
Ew.
I'm
Ew.
really nervous about this.
Ew. I'm gonna figure out how to. Alright, finger! I don't want to do that. Yeah, thanks. Thank you for it's a big piece.
No problem. As they say, you
I
know,
really don't want this.
no time like the present.
Get off my tongue, get off my tongue, get off. Get off.
Oh no!
Get off. Get off. Help. 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 Help.
I'm very sad. I just.
Help.
That is not good. Even close to like the word good. That's terrible.
Awful, by the way. Right? Yeah, terrible.
We're just gonna I'm just gonna send it back to them and tell them it went bad. And there we go. And I'm just gonna get a stamp and send that back to Turkey. Because that's, boop. Anyways, so this one, I didn't know that, well, apparently contains alcohol, and someone here is a little too young for this stuff, so we're gonna enjoy it in front of her. Oh, this one opens pretty easy. Why don't you just take the, oh my God. I could smell alcohol, like I could smell it.
Loud.
Oh my goodness, smell it. You can smell it.
Holy cow.
I need a knife.
Whoa.
Oh my goodness.
I'm surprised they didn't card you for this.
I don't think they even knew. I'm pretty sure they're like, oh, there's no harm in this. What could happen? I got a less sharp. What was that?
One of the many crumbs you dropped on yourself.
Oh, it's so soft. And I don't condone alcohol at all. I don't drink. You shouldn't drink. You want some? But I don't give it to underage people. You sure you don't want any? Because it's just a little bite. But so giving alcohol to minors is a bad thing. So don't ever do that. You sure you don't want one piece? Okay. Oh, it's so spongy. You want a piece? That's You sure?
It's like they made the cake and then poured the rum on top of it and just let it soak in.
It's actually not bad.
No, I'll take another.
You want me? Okay. So yeah, eat this in moderation and don't give it to kids. You sure you
just
don't
cut
want a
half
piece?
on
Just
it,
a little piece. So okay. So yeah, this is for adults only, not kids. Anyone over 21 is allowed to have this. You sure you don't want one? Okay. So, I think I found it. You know, the more you eat, the better it tastes.
Yes, it does.
And the alcohol in this, so I'm good.
So that would be my second favorite right there.
It just says alcohol.
Does it say what kind of alcohol?
No.
I'm feeling good right now. I'm kidding.
Wow, white chocolate. Got that.
Now, as bonus, when we went to the Mediterranean store to get this stuff, then the clerk,
Pretty cool. You don't get confectionery.
the clerk was there and seemed quite. He asked why we were there buying this stuff because
Weird.
obviously we didn't fit in.
You know, it just has.
Now I'm trying to tell a story here.
Oh.
Anyways, we told him what we were doing. He grabbed a handful of other things, some dates, and some of these, I'm assuming that's a type of candy. He said, yeah, you must try this. So, I've never had a date before because every time I hear about dates, I remember that scene in Indiana Jones and Raiders of the Lost Ark. You know, that scene where the monkey takes the date and eats the date, and then Indiana Jones is about to eat his date, and his buddy grabs it just as it's flying through the air before he eats this bad dates, and then pan down to the dead monkey. That's what I see in my head when I hear about dates.
I'm sorry, I missed that whole thing. Can you do it again?
No. There's a rewind button for a reason.
Okay. Well, I'm gonna put this up.
So,
You want a piece?
this will give you my first attempt at a date.
Last chance. Did he give you more dates?
Yes, there's lots of dates.
What
Drive
day-
dates and then regular.
I wonder what date I got. Mine's broken.
And there's this other kind of date, which. I didn't like either one.
Oh, there's still alcohol on my finger. What?
And the little candies. You want to buy those little candy?
You want some cake? Did you see the cake?
I saw the cake.
Okay.
Why don't you have that
Alcohol.
one since you like orange?
Oh, okay. You want to try the... I still got plenty of cake.
I'm good.
I'm not going to eat it all.
It's not terrible.
I gotta cut this.
But it's not something that I would buy. So I'm struggling with this.
3 letters.
1 word.
S.
It's a very interesting powder. It's really good.
I'm supposed to be honest with our viewers.
You guys want some cake?
Have fun.
Okay, so that was it. Boy, we
Ew.
have a mess to clean up here. So that was our journey through the Mediterranean.
Journey.
Mediterranean.
A journey it was.
And I got certain stuff that I actually enjoy, like these things. I don't know why you guys don't like that. It's a family pack. It's meant for a family. Pretty good. I'll keep
Gross.
it.
Overall, most of the stuff was pretty good.
Yeah, these just.
But if you dip those in this little sauce in this can with the, they're all right.
Yeah.
Orange things were crap.
Well, I don't care
That-
for your. Whatever that was good that you thought was good that I don't want. These things. Those, I don't care for those.
I mean, they weren't bad. And that candy thing that with the red stuff in it.
The cherry.
Yeah.
Oh.
That was bad.
Yeah.
It's not good.
I don't recommend it. So, like, I like most of the stuff here. There's some that I'm just like, do you guys get cake?
So I'd say 70% I liked. The other 30% was.
The cake was the best.
It's no way.
So yeah, that was pretty good. We got more of this gonna come in the future. We got
we have
stuff
plans.
and places like Germany and Russia.
Yeah,
and,
we're going to Russia next. Just
Going
to
to
give you a
Russia.
heads up.
Yeah, so
But that'll be some time because I have been cleared to return to hiking. So guess what we're doing next? We're hiking.
caving.
Well, that would be in May. Then yes, we'll return to cave.
So yeah,
So,
hope you guys like this. They're going back on trail next time when we get time to
Next
go.
week, yeah.
Yeah.
hopefully, because today was just
And a
the
rain
weather
out.
was lousy. I mean, just rain, constant rain. So that's why we'll just do another snacky video.
Yeah, and so we went Mediterranean and it was good.
Yeah. And I'm working on the paranormal investigation video.
But I'm not in it.
Yeah, somebody wimped out. So yeah, hope you guys like that video. Plenty more coming out.
Yeah.
So hit that like and subscribe if you like
If
these
you don't
videos.
subscribe, I'm gonna come to your house and eat all of your stuffed peppers.
Yeah, because apparently
Every-
those are really good.
Yeah, every stuffed pepper you have is in danger right now
Yep.
if you do not subscribe.
Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. We will catch you next time. Plenty of videos in our thing down there somewhere over here. I don't know where it's at, but we got videos on our channel that if you want to watch more of this stuff,
Yeah, keep
it's
the
on
subscriber count going up because it's been going up.
Yeah,
So yeah.
there. Yeah. So
They must really like their food then.
you can. So stay hike and stay safe, and we'll catch you guys next time.
That's right. And keep your stick on the ice.
Yeah. Bye.
Did you guys get cake?